Sometimes you only want a couple of functions or definitions out of a module. In that case, it is safe to import them into the main namespace, and you do it in this way. You write from OS, in our case, import get cwd sep. This imports this function and this variable into the main namespace, and after that you can use them without prepending them with the name of the module. You can also decide to import the kitchen sink into the main namespace, but you should be careful because that can cause trouble. So for instance, here we have a variable called name in our program that has the value Monty, and then we import everything from OS into the main namespace of the program. This star stands for everything. The problem is, inside the OS module there is a name variable, and therefore that clashes with our definition, and that's what we get. So generally you do not want to import all the functions from a module into your main namespace. On the other hand, it can be cumbersome to type the name of the module each time. Python gives you a convenience feature. You can import the module as some shortcut. In this case, I have import time as tm. Now I can refer to the module as tm, so I can write something like now equal tm dot local time, and then print the conversion to ASCII time of now, which is also part of the time module.